The question of abatement cannot be encompassed by a straitjacket formula. The same depends on the factual aspects of each case. Proximity of commission of suicide with the act of an accused, deliberate instigation, or intentionally aiding or provoking the victim to take such a drastic step would be some of the ingredients constituting abatement. However, as stated above, the question of abatement varies from case to case depending on the factual aspects of each case. In the present case, the brother of the informant was insinuated of committing misappropriation in sale of plywood. When the informant had gone to the godown of the petitioner, he had seen his brother inside a cabin sitting on the floor, and the petitioner and his accomplices surrounding him and demanding rupees 3 lakh from him. A towel was also put over the CCTV which was installed there. It was therefore a premeditated plan devised by the petitioner to heap humiliation and torture upon the brother of the informant in order to get back the amount of rupees 3 lakh. The accused persons had also snatched the personal documents of the informant and his brother, as well as cash of rupees 1000 and SIM, etc. They had also demanded that rupees 1 lakh should be returned by 7 p.m. The humiliation meted out to the brother of the informant and the ominous nature of threats were indeed tough to withstand, especially for a person with a fragile mental setup. If indeed some misappropriation had been caused by the informant and or his brother, the petitioner could have approached the police, but he chose to take the law in his own hands by attempting to browbeat the deceased into subjugation, and the deceased, punctured with such ignominy, committed suicide. The deceased had also prepared a video prior to his death, blaming the petitioner for his end. No doubt, the act of the petitioner was not continuous, but it was of such a nature that a solitary indictment of the deceased was enough for him to take the extreme step. Moreover, the act of committing suicide was in close proximity to the humiliation and lowering of self-esteem suffered by the deceased. Such situation therefore does not implore this court to grant anticipatory bail to the petitioner. This application accordingly stands rejected.